writing the story of your life. Don't let anyone else hold the pen. Turn your wounds into wisdom. The pain you feel today will be the strength you feel tomorrow. Practice self-compassion. We are all human, and everyone makes mistakes. Time heals almost everything. Give it time. Sometimes you win, sometimes you learn. Forgiveness is not for the other person. It's for your peace of mind. Sometimes we're tested not to show our weaknesses, but to discover our strengths. The calmer you are, the clearer you think. Sometimes you have to let go of something good to make room for something better. Listen more than you speak, for wisdom often comes from silence. What other people think of you is none of your business. Kindness is a language that the deaf can hear and the blind can see.